Friends, hope everything goes well with you. And today this is the new review of new shoes here. This is the latest style Travis Scott Nike Air Max 2000 story is the 270 React Cactus Jake style. For the Travis Scott sneakers, very hot in this year, and this is one of them. So today I got them to show some details. Okay, so you can check the side. The midsole, for the midsole is really special. This one for the style or counter is very special. And here got very small Nike shoes, and the upper the pant like this, and the outside there, there's plastic material, and the inside have very soft material. And about the upper, you can check out like this, and this is the rubber material around the upper there. And on the toe part, this part also embroidered Nike shoes, and also this Nike shoes embroidered here. This is orange color, and this part with another kind of material, very comfortable. And about the toe base, got brown thread. And about the shoe tone, got the red nylon lock, and also got the thread material. And this part. And in the middle here, you can have the pull tab, and got the tag. And about the shoelace is this color. And on the top have the latch lock. And this latch lock also very special. And on the top, print something there. How special on this shoe tone. And about the inner side, so got the same Nike shoes, this part, and the upper. And let me show, got the air bubble here, and the print Nike React. Turn to the back side, you can look here, pull tab, got the Cactus Jake, and the brown thread as well. And the bottom, for the bottom also very special on this pair. Print something in the middle. And about the inside, you can look the back side of the shoe tone. I think this is the mesh, including the back side. This color is the same material. And about the shoe part, you can look is the gray color. Got the logo and the size tag embroidered the back side of the shoe part. Inside is the white. And another shoe part print Cactus Jake. So both print different logo on the shoe part. Okay, so this is the new style Travis Scott Nike Air Max 270 React Cactus Jake. If you want to copy this one, please check out on my web link to copy them. If you got more orders, we'll get more discounts. Any more questions, you can contact with our my contact way. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.